We are at Seoul station going from Seoul to Busan today, and we're going to be going first class on the KTX high-speed rail. We are on the train now. The seats are massive. I'm so red, it's so hot. I've got a table and there's loads. There's some buttons here, watch this.
부산과 포항으로 가는 복합 열차입니다. 1호선에서 8호차까지는 부산으로 가는 KTX 31열차이고.
And then you can select a channel, put your headphones in, select the volume. That's what the seats look like. So there's no one sat in that seat. Just arrived at the station.